This is a review for Mega Millions 12/30/2025. This is also going to be the same matrix you're going to use for January 2nd, 2026. So December 30th, 2025, the numbers were 18. Remember, I said if there's a zero in the middle of numbers, like these numbers here surround this zero, you can cross over these numbers. You can connect them, make a two-digit number, okay? So there's your 18. There's your 43. Remember, this blue zero should always have two or more winning numbers around it. There's your 49, 63, 63. They drop down to favorite spot down here, 69. Okay, there's 69 there, 69, 69. Okay, this is going to be the same matrix you're going to use for January 2nd, 2026 for Mega Millions, Friday, 2026. Okay. That's today, actually. You want to pick at least 2 or 3 numbers around this blue zero. And these 5 zeros here, this section right here, usually has, I'd say half the time, 50% of the time, all your numbers are going to be around these 5 zeros, okay? And I'd say 30% of the time, 25 to 30%, all your numbers are going to be around this blue zero right here, okay? So there are 48 different combinations, 48 different numbers around these blue zeros, okay? If you were to play all the possible combinations of those 48 numbers, you would have a winner. If you'd play all these numbers around here, a different combination you could come up with, I'd say 1 out of every 15 to 18 draws, all the numbers are going to be here around this blue zero. Okay, this matrix took 30 years to develop. I took important numbers, added them together, added line by line by line by line, Fibonacci style. Took out these lines, no zeros were here. Took out these lines here, no zeros, and these lines, no zeros. Made as small as possible, so it'll give you a better chance at getting the right numbers. But this is my gem. This is an accident, and as I started looking at it, I thought, oh my God, you can look up all your past numbers for Mega Million and Powerball, and they'll be here, every single one of them. Every single number will be here around these zeros, okay? Mostly at the top here. Okay, guys, play on paper. This is for information and entertainment purposes only. And have a great new year. Thank you. See you.